I'm a pirate, look how I walk. I'm a pirate, look how I talk.
Hey, I'm Pirate Paul. You can't call yourself a pirate if you don't have a boat to sail the high seas.
Sail ho!
We got jet skis. We got fishing boats. Oh, and we got terminal ferries.
Alpha pirate coming through!
Heave ho!
We got dinghies. We got yachts. And we got an 18th century naval destroyer just sailing all the way out back.
To the brag with him! Right!
Aye, aye, Captain.
We've got canoes, we've got speedboats, and we've got submarines.
Full cautery!
We're sailing the highest seas for the lowest prices.
Come on down and buy my ship. I want some money.
Yeah! Give him your money!
If you want a video game that has gore and whores and all in between, pick up the PC Pirate Paul video game. Rated all ages above 3. I don't give a shit. No credit, no problem. Take advantage of the Pirate Paul loan service.
Good boy, Lou!
He doesn't care if you got a peg leg or no legs or no car or no job. It doesn't matter, because we got you taken care of. You're never gonna find a better parlay out of here in the west coast of the Pacific Sea.
My ex-wife tried to sue me. Kerr.
Yeah!
Yo ho ho!
I've been being told that I'm not a real pirate, but hell, I am. And I can show you.
Timbers!
We've got rafts, we've got party boats, and we've got aircraft carriers. Buy an aircraft carrier and we'll give you 2 jets for free.
Waves the anchor and tells every man and woman in this sea that Pirate Paul's the #1 pirate emporium in all of the Pacific.
Fire in the hole! Pirate Paul is the #1 pirate on the whole seas.
Sail on by the Pirate Paul's boat emporium, just off the I-95, just past Kevin McDavid Memorial Highway.
And be sure to pre-order the Pirate Paul video game for PC. Coming soon this
What's it
winter.
gonna cost me to get out of this one?
Right!
Yeah. Oh, you little like I'm not a pirate. I'm a pirate, can't see. I got my head, I still got my sword. And if you're looking at closer, I still got my booty. I'm a pirate, and you.